Good morning to one and all. Today we discuss about grammar part, that is one of the little part, prepositions. We already discussed about from 1st to 10th. We know what is meant by prepositions, what are the words we use in the prepositions in the small sentences. But now we just discuss about these exercises, that's all. So we know main part, what are the parts in the preposition, just using the three words only. So what is mean by preposition? A preposition is a word that expresses a relations between a noun or pronoun and another element in the sentences. So what is the work in the preposition in the sentences? So first, the word, English word, is very important. That word, way of expressions through sentences, that expressions word through relations between noun. So what is, you know what is meant by noun. At the same time, the subject, we change the pronoun. So what is the difference between noun and pronoun? At the same time, we using the another element also. These all including the sentences. So one sentence very important, just we know just 4 or 5 words merge or create one sentences. We know the subject, verb, object. So these are the very important in sentences. We just what is the relative in one word, that is called a preposition. So now what are the types of prepositions? So prepositions types. First one, for place. So for place, the prepositions we using for place. Next, for time, the prepositions using for time. You miss the time, that preposition using, that is useless. So that is time is very important. Next, for directions. So directions also very important. We using the word through prepositions. Next, for agent, through way of other persons or other ways, through way of prepositions. And then not only things, through instrument also, then prepositional phrases. So the first word, the main word, you know, the starting the prepositions, the LKG or UKG or first standard, we starting the preposition, the first word, the main word is on. You know the sentences, the book is on the table. So now there is a one table, but not is the book. There is one cat. So you just using the sentences, the word prepositions, the applying the sentence, the on. My mobile is on the table. So there is one table. Okay, so there is one table. My mobile is on the table. See the red word. That red word is prepositions word. So we using the prepositions. So the next, the cat is sleeping on the couch. So the cat is sleeping on the couch. There is also mentioned red symbols, and then using the same prepositions word, the subject, the cat, the verb is sleeping. Okay, present continuous, the cough, using the word prepositions. Next word, above. So above means we just see always through above. So the maybe table on the ball, see the ball, there is one box, there is also one ball. You see that is the ball is above on the box. Okay, so the example sentences, the sky is still above us. So wherever you go the world, the sky is still above us, not still, always above us. Okay, the using the word above, there is very important, the another important word. First one on, second one above. There is a photo hanging above the shelf. So see the location, see the chairs, see the sofas and then chairs. There is particularly photos, the photo hanging the shelf. So shelf, above the shelf, see above the shelf hanging. Okay, so this is the important. So there is a photo hanging above the shelf. Next word, over. Okay, we just the happiness, the word, which type of situation we analyze and realize the happiness, we just finish our work that realize the word happiness. So the over is finished. So now here the over, see the sentence, the cat jumped over the fence. So the cat is waiting for something, or waiting for an opportunity, or waiting for doing something. So the cat doing something for what? So see the picture, the cat jumped over the fence. Okay, the over is the prepositions. The flight flew over the city. Okay, see the city, see the flight. So the subject is very important. See the example sentences. So whatever we see the example sentence, what use the subject, that is very important. What use the preposition word, that one is more important. Okay, the flight flew over the city. So the people also see the flight. At the same time, we also, the flight also flying in the city, but the flight is also very near. So the flight flew over the city. So this is the example. So example for the important of three prepositions above, on and over. So you also just recall the class, and then this is for your exercise. The most of the people put butter dash their toast. She is wearing a sweater dash her kurta. Ben lives dash the pizza shop. Sit dash the chair. She rents an apartment dash the bookstore. We flew dash Eiffel Tower. I am dash the roof. Sign dash this line. He climbed the fence. So you just read the sentences, choose particular or appropriate prepositions, and you just write, take snap and send to me. Okay, this is for your exercises. So when we are the direct class, we just check these for these exercises. Okay, we will meet the next class. Thank you.